Welcome. If you're looking to give your Telegram chats a fresh new look, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to change your chat wallpaper on Telegram. It's quick, easy, and lets you personalize your messaging experience in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. This usually looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tapping it will open up a sidebar with several options. From here, find and tap on Settings. This is where you can manage all your Telegram preferences and customize your experience. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Chat Settings. This section is dedicated to how your chats look and feel, including font size, message bubbles, and of course, wallpapers. Now, look for the option labeled Change Chat Wallpaper or Change Chat Background. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a gallery of wallpaper choices. Telegram offers a variety of options: solid colors, gradients, patterns, and even the ability to use your own photos for a truly personal touch. Browse through the available wallpapers and pick the one that matches your style. If you want to use a photo from your gallery, simply select the option to choose from your device's images. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a preview of how it will look in your chats. Some wallpapers even offer extra effects, like blur or motion, for a more dynamic background. When you're happy with your choice, tap Set Background to apply the new wallpaper to your chats. That's it. Your Telegram chat now has a brand new look. Customizing your chat wallpaper is a great way to make your conversations stand out and reflect your personality. Don't forget, you can change it as often as you like, so feel free to experiment with different styles and colors until you find the perfect fit. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized Telegram chats.